Hi guys, today we will learn how to use Tradingview. So I'll teach you the basics, how to use Tradingview. For that, what you have to do is you have to just go and just search in your Google. Just type in Tradingview. Once you just type in the first link, you can find out that Tradingview Record Market. So this is the platform of Tradingview, how it looks. Then there is a in product you can see that chart, scanners and heat map, community, then market, broker, more. And then you just go into the right hand side on the top. You press that button, you can just see that watch list is already there, and alerts and all, and whatever the playlist you have to just make, you can make there. Okay, and then afterwards you can just go in product and then click the chart button. Once you click the chart button, so this is the chart which will come there, and right hand side there is a watch list. So once you press that watch list button, then the charts will be there. So maybe if you want to look for HDFC Bank, or if you want to look for like any charts, like any stocks basically, you can just go ahead with that. So normally we just trade in Banknifty and Nifty charts and all. You can just look that from there, and I'm just zooming in and to let you know exactly the time frame. See, upside after that Banknifty, there is 5 minute time frame is there, then 15 minute, 1 hour, day 1 minute. So these are the time frame, different time frames. While if you're a scalper, you can use 1 minute, 3 minute, like that. Okay, and here there's a candle. Okay, you can just see that after that 1 minute there's a candle. So there are how much candles you can use. Like there's a bar, then candle, hollow candles, lines, area, baseline, Hakinashi. But normally people use normal candles, and Hakinashi is majorly used. Okay, so these are the types of candle. Okay, now then comes click on the indicator tab. Okay, so a lot of people have a problem whenever I just upload any indicator, how to see invite only. So here click on the indicator tab. Once you click on the indicator tab, so this the pop-up will come. Over there you can just see at the bottom invite only script. Once you just click that, you can get the Shanky's indicator over there. And stock study tools. So left hand side, if you want to draw a line, or a lot of tools are there. You can just go in there in detail. Okay, so for tools and all, for drawing the lines, you have to use the left hand side. There is a toolbox, you can see that. And the right hand side, the numbers over here, the stock price scale. It will tell you because right now we are watching out Bank Nifty, that's the reason. Okay, and at the bottom it's a time scale. It will tell you the timing. Okay, like like from 9 o'clock the market is getting started, ends up at 3 o'clock. That's it. So how to use that split screen? A lot of people don't know how to split the screen in the chart. So go upside over there, you can just see that button over here. So for pro members only, you can use the two screens. Okay. So use of tools to find out targets, you can say that. So watch list is there on the right hand side, the first top which I told you. Once you click that, watch list. So there are like you can just add upside. You can just see that there's a plus button. So you press that, then you can add lot of multiple stocks inside, or whatever stock you like. And the major part because a lot of people have complained of that candle is looking very small. So how to what is that called? How to get the candle in a proper size? So for that, you have to zoom the price scale. Okay, right hand side you can see that there is a price scale. So once you zoom that price scale, okay, then the candle will just be like enlarged. You can say that. Is that called zoom in, zoom out? Basically, so the price scale, it will just zoom your candle basically. Okay? That's the logic. How to zoom. Very easy. Just scroll your mouse. Mouse ke saath you can just scroll that. So you can just say that the candle will just see. This is what you can see over here right now. The candles you can just make it up like big and small in that way, and at the bottom that's a basic so you should use the right side, the price scale, so that will give you the exact logic for that candle for zoom in and zoom out of that candle, as well as you can just see over here right now. This is your candle. See, this is how the price scale works. Go on dragging it up and down, up and down. So that is you can zoom in, zoom out basically. So how to zoom on candles? Okay, so how to zoom on candle? Now see how to zoom on candles. Same price scale, just take it up or down. You can just scroll up and down, up and down. Automatically you can see that the candles are moving up, down, up, down. Okay, and then see at the bottom also, if you just scroll like that, you have to just adjust your candle according to your like how you want to see your screen. You can just go with this logic. Price scale and the bottom you have to just do that. That's all. So now you have a basic knowledge about the trading view. That's what I want to teach you. So these are the basics things, okay? Once you just go through this basic thing, then slowly and gradually I'll just teach you exactly what are the importance of the tools and all. We'll just come back to that, okay? In the later part. That's all guys. Take care. Bye.